You just mentioned fix and flip. Can you walk us through what a first time fix and flip borrower actually needs to get a deal done? Is it like ARV, LTV, credit, experience? Can you break all of it down simply?
Yeah, absolutely. So we work with experienced investors that have done over 1,000 doors, and we work with somebody that's brand new that's never done any kind of real estate investing whatsoever. So what's needed is honestly the biggest things that we focus on is the numbers of the property. So most of what we do is we'll lend up to 75% of the after repair value. So for example, these aren't like numbers that we'd probably use, but just for example, if after renovation the property was worth 100K, like we can lend up to $75,000 on that property. So most investors, what I recommend is if you can stay between 50% and 65% of the ARV, so your cost versus your after repair value, those are usually pretty good numbers because that gives you some buffer of any extra cost that might come up, and usually will still allow you to profit. So up to 75% of the ARV is where you want to stay, and if you're above that, then you're probably not really looking at profiting on that project, and it's probably not a good deal. So understanding the numbers and having the right after repair value versus your cost is very important. The second thing is credit. Obviously, like we talked about before, you want to have good credit because you're going to get better terms, which will make your cost lower, which will make you more profit. So having a good credit score is really good to have. Experience, again, not so much. If you have experience, you have better terms, but again, we work with first-time investors. And then the third thing I would say is capital. Understanding how much capital you need to close on the loan, and then understanding how much capital you need, until you're done renovating, holding that loan, and then selling the property. If you like videos like this, go like, subscribe, share with your friends.
That's so fire!
Fire, fire, fire!
That's so fire, baby! That's so fire!
Fire!
That's so fire!